If you're looking to set up advanced analytics in Mailchimp to take your email marketing strategy to the next level, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through how to unlock these powerful tools and leverage them to drive better insights from your campaigns. Stick around till the end, because I'll also show you how to get access to an exclusive free trial for Mailchimp, where you can use these features and more completely risk-free. First things first, to get started with advanced analytics in Mailchimp, you need to ensure that your account is set up properly. You'll need a Mailchimp account with the necessary permissions. If you're working with a team, make sure you have the right access levels. Once you've logged in, head over to the Reports section of your dashboard. The second thing you'll want to do is enable e-commerce tracking if you haven't already. This is crucial for advanced analytics as it provides data on your sales performance from email campaigns. You can connect Mailchimp with platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. This will give you insights into which products are performing well and how your campaigns are driving actual revenue. Next thing, let's talk about Mailchimp's built-in analytics features. The platform offers several reports like campaign performance, audience growth, and engagement. These reports will give you a detailed breakdown of how your emails are performing, including open rates, click rates, and bounce rates. You can also segment your audience based on performance, allowing you to tailor your future emails for better results. Now, for the fourth thing, you'll want to dive into Mailchimp's advanced reporting tools. You can set up custom reports to track metrics that matter most to your business. For example, you can track your subscribers' activity in more detail, including their behavior after clicking through to your site. This data is invaluable when optimizing your future campaigns. Next thing you can do to set up advanced analytics is to create specific segments of your audience based on user behavior. With Mailchimp's segmentation tool, you can sort your contacts by engagement level, demographics, or even past purchase behavior. This means you can target users with relevant content, increasing your chances of conversion. The sixth thing to consider is integrating Google Analytics with Mailchimp. By doing this, you'll have even deeper insights into how your email traffic behaves once it reaches your website. You can track page views, bounce rates, and conversion goals directly from your email campaigns, giving you a full picture of how your audience is interacting with your business. Finally, for the seventh thing, Mailchimp allows you to set up custom reports and dashboards. You can visualize your campaign performance over time, track trends, and even set up alerts for certain metrics, so you'll never miss an opportunity to optimize your strategy. In conclusion, setting up advanced analytics in Mailchimp gives you a powerful way to track and optimize your email campaigns. If you want to get started with all of these tools today, don't forget that you can access Mailchimp for free through the link in the description below. Plus, we're offering an exclusive extended free trial, so you can explore all the premium features without paying a dime. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the link below for your free trial.